Hi, this is John of Art and I'm here in Lantawan in Silay. Lantawan View meaning to see, something to see. Okay, so this is the entrance and also a view of Silay City down there. So we are in the forest and let's have a look inside. Entrance fee 50 pesos for adults, seniors 40, and also for young children. There's the parking area, a nice forest, very cool place, and a scenic view of mountains. I can see tents, campsites, cabanas, a lot of nice places to just chill. May mga native delicacies gali. So they're selling corn, fruits, and other native delicacies. Busog na Tagaling. Okay. Nice place for children at play. Nice little shacks. Laid back lifestyle. Ooh, my favorite flower is a million flowers. Blue. Nice. Sis, that's a lovely shed. That's a lovely bahay kubo. So, nice view of the mountainside. Wow, this place is reserved. Let's have a look inside if we could take a peek. I can see there's an open window here. So what's inside? Wow, must be a cool place to stay. And there's a viewing deck. Nice place to chill also. House rules. And just awesome, the view. There seems to be a trail that leads somewhere, but there's no guide, so we don't know what's down there. Maybe there's a river or something. Nice place for photo shoots, plein air painting, a picnic, and just to chill, relax with your family. Let's get inside the campsite, forested area with a lot of nice chill cabanas for a nice relaxing afternoon. Let's have a look at this one. This one's occupied. So let's see what's in here. Okay, this is probably for rent. Nice place to chill, have a relaxing weekend here. If you like mountain air and forest bathing, this is the place for you. Hello! They are working on a swimming pool project, so probably in our next visit there will be a swimming pool right down here. Ooh! Maayong hapon. Ano ni siya nong ginobra? Swimming pool. Ano na siya yung mga buho-buho nga dalom? May haligi manggali ang swimming pool. Ayo galin. Saan ni siya matapos? Ate, hindi niya kayo nga gawin ni nga summer. This is Joan of Art. Huwag maging dayuhan sa sariling bayan. Let's go on a tour of the Philippines and our local place. Until our next video, bye for now and see you again.